Trump 22. I'm ringing the doorbell. Hey, Trump's gonna win, okay? Don't ring it. Quick, don't do that. Trump's gonna win. Trump retreat. Ted Cruz down. I hate Kamala Harris.
I just want to let you know that your car light is on.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
This is why you should always have a doorbell camera. This creepy video comes out of Phoenix, Arizona. And according to the family, this person came up to their door to warn them about their car light being left on, while someone else was lurking in the background. But after they eventually left, she checked her car and there was no light on. So she posted it to warn others in her neighborhood. But this next video is even more terrifying, and it comes from Della D, I'll tag her below. And she was awoken at 4 in the morning by a ring notification. And this is what happened. Take a look.
At 4:16 a.m. a random woman walks up to my doorway acting strangely. She starts looking inside my glass door, then does this.
Ring your doorbell because I have a couple questions for you. Are you sure? Are you positive? Are you sure? I just have a couple questions for you. Are you sure? Are you positive? I just have a couple questions for you. Are you sure? Are you positive? Are you sure? Are you absolutely certain?
As well as knocking, he kept repeating he wanted to talk to her. He had questions for her. Since she was home alone, she called her husband to tell him what was happening, and then she called 911. So Amanda's husband accessed the camera from his phone and saw the man too. Ignoring him wasn't doing the trick, so he decided to talk to him using the speaker. And this is what happened.
Hello? 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 What do you want?
Yeah. Yeah. A dog attacked me. Yeah, I'm here. Yeah, come here. Come here? Yeah. Hello? Oh, no. Oh.
Sebastian was choking on something, and I'm like panicking. It's like he's having soup, and I feel like he's turning blue, and I don't know what to do.
Okay, he's choking.
I don't know if like a piece of chicken got stuck.
It's okay. No, it's okay.
I don't know what to do. You okay?
Okay? Is that all of it? You got more? You got more from Gary? Huh? You got scared?
Sorry.
It's okay.
Just literally fell up all over his pants.
It's okay. No problem. You okay? Feel better? Is there more? Is there more?
You okay?
You're scared. It's okay. I got you. I got you, bro. I got you.
Chicken must not have
I got you, man.
ended
Come
up.
here anytime, okay? It's cool.
Sorry.
No, don't worry about it. Does it feel better? You can breathe? He's good now, right?
Jesus.
I'm glad you came over.
Sorry.
Oh, no, it's cool. What are you sorry about?
I literally didn't know what to do. I've never choked before.
I hope I didn't scare you.
Okay.
I hope I didn't scare you.
No, it's
Let me get you a
okay
wipe?
now. No, I'll go clean up at home.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm so sorry.
What are you sorry about? Are you
I'm
kidding
not.
me?
It's like,
I'm gonna be Geo hero, man.
this last bit for Sebastian.
I'm gonna be his hero now for sure. Oh, buddy, I'm sorry, man. I hope I didn't scare you, okay?
No, I
You
think
come by anytime. You need
more
anything.
so scared.
You know, I'm fully trained in CPR, so
Well, thank God.
yeah.
Sorry. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
I'm gonna go get cleaned up. Sorry about the soup.
You're still.
Friday, getting down on Friday. Everybody's looking forward to.
If you've purchased a cheap home security device such as a doorbell camera, baby monitor or pet cam, this is a story for you. Cybersecurity experts want certain devices banned in Australia, saying international hackers can easily spy into millions of homes and public spaces. It's being banned from government buildings, but the Chinese-made tech is still on our shelves.
They are the seemingly innocent devices allowing you to monitor your baby while sleeping or keep track of your beloved pets while you're at work. But cybersecurity experts say cheap Chinese-made electronics are easily hackable.
Mounting to quite a significant threat to our society.
Smart devices such as a doorbell camera used to watch others could be watching you. Not just creepy, experts say, but compromising the security of corporations too, all through a shared Wi-Fi connection.
In the case that we looked at, a home doorbell, internet-connected doorbell, was compromised by an attacker, goes via the Wi-Fi in the house and goes onto a corporate laptop and attempts to break into that laptop.
Recognising the threat, the cheap devices have been banned from government and defence buildings, but the buying public is still exposed.
There's no evidence that this is a coordinated campaign by governments to be spying on all Australians. But the thing is, it is possible. So if you value your privacy and your security, do think twice.
The government is working to develop labelling similar to Energy Star ratings on white goods, which will allow consumers to identify if a product meets cybersecurity standards. But it will take at least a year to be introduced. Sarah Naven for 10 News First.
Should we go for it? Oh, a cool room, isn't it? It's cool, isn't it? Yeah. Do I need to introduce myself? Or yeah, hello, my name's Ben. Yeah, I suppose I'm the first official Fluid employee. This is really boring. I don't know. Is that okay? I don't know.
That's fine, yeah.
No. We used to do a lot of work for Derby City Council for their health and wellbeing division, and that was a really nice one because it was a local thing, but it was making a difference. Yeah, most embarrassing photo shoot I've ever been roped into was wearing some Y fronts and a cape and going around Derby City looking like a superhero. And then I ended up having my picture in the local newspaper coming out of a phone box, which was embarrassing.
Bro, are you listening to what I'm saying, bro? Somebody hit my crib up before, bro. You sitting in front of my door, bro.
Hit his crib up. Yo! What is wrong with him? What the fuck? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Yo! Yo! Call me! Call Marv! Oh my god! Call Marv! I just stole this dumbass! Call Marv! Oh my god! Hurry up, man!
I was woke up by a huge boom, felt the shockwave, fell out of bed, got dressed and went outside to see what happened. And then as I came outside, it was snowing insulation, pieces of the house in my driveway, in my yard. Seen neighbors coming down. We all wanted to help, but there was nothing that we could have done.
When these little kids next door to her were playing outside, they watched her come out of the house with someone and said this.
Who you cheating on your cousin? This is my son. Oh.
She said the little neighbors never seen her son dressed up like that, so they got confused thinking it was an older guy.